Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to decorate my personal journal. This is the Vertical Layout Classic Size Happy Planner. This will be for the last week in March, the 23rd through the 29th. So I think I'm going to use Very Fun. These are some stickers that are available in my shop now. I think I'm going to start, I love these like torn paper stickers, so we're going to start with these. And then in this video, I want to just kind of give you a little update because you know that if you watched my last videos, I have been trying to decide kind of what direction to pivot shop-wise, content-wise, and all of the above. So I think what I'm going to do, just lots and lots of prayer and thinking, and I'm going to just take a little break. I'm not going to make any changes to the shop as of right now. My creativity is gone. My joy of planners is gone. So I think I just need to step back and relearn how to have joy in my planners and find creativity. And so this is just something that I've kind of been struggling with. I really want to do this, but I don't know how those will look upside down. But I think that it's just time for me to just kind of just take a little step back, a little break. And no pressure, because I tend to put a lot of pressure on myself when there is expectation of videos and orders and things like that. And so I just kind of need to just pause and reflect and try to just reassess and try to find my joy of planners again. So that being said, I am going to, on Tuesday the 24th, we are going to have one more Treat Yourself Tuesday before I take my break so that you guys can order all the stickers that you want from this new release. And I think what I'll do, I don't know, I think probably what I'll do, I'm not sure yet, but I may go ahead and do the 50% off the last two releases, so that you guys can stock up if you want to stock up before I take my little break. So yeah, and I'm also going to send out an email just basically with the same information, just letting everybody know I'm just going to take a step back. It's not going to be like a set time, so it may be 2 weeks, it may be 2 months. I'm not sure yet. I am just, where do I want to put this girl? I'm just going to take a step back, no pressure, no deadlines. I don't know. I just want to have time to myself to kind of, like I said, relearn how to find joy in my planners. Happy Planner has a spring release coming up. I may place an order for some Happy Planner things. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do yet, but I want something different. So different is what we're going to aim for. I have really enjoyed this current week. The weather is gorgeous, so definitely got the spring fever going on. I went out yesterday and painted my front porch rocking chairs and got those all nice and pretty for spring. Yeah, so I just want a little break, and I do need breaks occasionally. I'm human, and like I said, this is not a business. I never started this as a business. This was started as a hobby. And actually back in like 2019, I just was playing around on my Cricut and making stickers for myself, and I would share those on my channel, and then people started asking me to sell what I was making, and that's just kind of how this whole thing got started. So I don't know. It's not fun anymore to me. So I want it to be fun again. So that's what I'm thinking. That's where I'm headed with all of these decisions. So, or indecisions. How about that? So I'm not going away. I'm just taking a break. Nothing is wrong. I just need to step back for a little bit. And I've done this many times before. I think that kind of happens to a lot of people when they have a hobby turn into a business or a job. And I think it's just kind of normal to need that, to take that step back. So that's the plan. Trying to figure out what to do with this sticker. I want it to go. I really like the way I've been decorating this layout the last couple weeks. So I kind of want to mimic the way that I've been decorating. So that is what we are going to do. And then what I've done the last couple weeks, even off camera, is I used the same sticker set to decorate 2 different spreads. So that's what we're going to do today as well. Now, do I want to go here? Maybe. So I will be decorating my horizontal family journal with this same sticker set. That is way crooked. Cute. And then we'll put a couple of small ones down here. My oldest son told me that he is actually, so he is 25, and he and my middle son used to play Little League baseball, and then my oldest son actually, even though my boys were homeschooled, he played high school baseball. In South Carolina, homeschoolers can play in district sports. But anyway, so we've kind of been a baseball family, and so he just told me, I cannot get this straight, that he is helping to coach the 8U little baseball team, and our pastor's, one of our pastor's grandsons is actually on the team. And so I'm excited about that, because that means that we get to go watch some Little League baseball games. So I think the first game is actually Tuesday. So we will go to watch that game, and that's exciting. I'm going to use this same sticker over here. I really like these white paper stickers more than I do the clear stickers now. So this is so pretty. I love these fun yellows and reds. They're so cute. We need now to kind of decorate around the boxes. So I think I may pull a quote or two. Let's do that. Let's see. Because I kind of feel like I need something down here. So let's just pull some quotes out. Probably going to use a faith quote. I got so many quotes. I really like Faith 6. That's one of my favorite sticker sheets. I also like these. Let's just use Faith 6 instead of digging through too many. So yeah, back to the Happy Planner. I know that I do struggle with Happy Planner stickers, and I've mentioned this. I think I actually mentioned this in my last video. Kind of how Happy Planner stickers are all over the place as far as like shapes and sizes and wording, but I used to be really good about using happy planner stickers and just making them work for me and having fun with it. So I'm thinking about, like I said, maybe possibly, I gotta look at them. I think they'll actually be online to be added to cart today. So I'm going to look at the stickers, some of the new stickers in their spring release, and see if there's any that I like. And I may just start using some happy planner stickers for the time being. I just need to kind of like reignite that spark, the creativity spark in my planners. That's crooked, but it's okay. So that is something that I'm thinking about doing, is getting some happy planner stickers and using those. I don't know. Like I said, just many decisions here. Do I not have, I don't have the small florals. Well, let's take one of these and we'll put it kind of like this. And then we will put my quote over top of that. I like to put my quotes over top of decorative stickers. It just looks cute to me. Let's see. I don't know where I want to put this. Be like this. Somehow I got to try to get this lined up straight. That's probably a little bit crooked, but I think it's cute. All right. I've been missing my quotes. I haven't used them in a couple weeks. So, okay, let's continue with some decorations here. So we have florals on both pages. I think I need a small floral over here. So maybe we'll do this one. I hate to do it there because then I'll have them side by side. Let's just cut this off just a little bit. We'll just put these kind of here. All right, and then let's see. Let's, like I said, fill in with some cute decor. Definitely want to use the frog because how adorable is this frog? It's super cute. Adorable. And what else? Let's see. I may just make this spread kind of simple. Definitely want to use this cute little straw hat. And then I don't know if I'm going to put anything down here. I think this is actually really cute the way that it is. So this was a kind of quick video, but I think this spread turned out super cute just the way it is. I definitely need to, and I'll probably do this off camera, need to make some lines in my boxes. I just like the way that looks. So let me do that real quick and then I'll be back. Okay, so I put some lines in the spread. I may put more eventually, but I want to, while I'm on this break, I want to journal a lot more about just how things are going. Listen to my body, have time to slow down and journal how I'm feeling and all that fun stuff. So definitely need all of the lines and all of the space I can get so that I can journal that and keep up with my health. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think this will be the only video that I film. I am going to decorate my horizontal journal actually on the couch. I think that is where my relaxing, peaceful, play in my planner time comes. So I think I'll do that tonight. But don't forget, Tuesday the 24th. I guess we'll do it at midnight. So midnight Monday night, and then all day Tuesday. New releases in my shop will be 50% off. And then after that, once I get all of those orders filled, I will be on my break. So, and I will see you guys soon. I may pop in and out with some videos, just kind of showing you guys how I'm using my planners, what I'm playing with sticker wise or pens or paper. I don't know yet, so no pressure. Like I said, there's going to be no pressure on me to create content. So if I do pop in and out, it'll just be kind of to show you guys what I'm doing on my break. So as always, I love you guys. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you when I get back. Bye, y'all.